What's up, guys? We're the Kentz.
Welcome back.
Or if it's your first time, welcome to our channel. Hit the subscribe button while you're here.
My love for you is constantly forever and ever on repeat, and it won't stop. Every day, I can't wait to take my breath away from me.
All right, guys, as you know, we have made it to the Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya in Mexico, darling. We are at our resort. We have finally made it to our room. Our room is ready. So it's only right if we do a room tour with you guys so that you know where the Kentfolk gonna be staying for the next 7 days. What? Okay. So we are in room 534. To anybody who plays the lottery, play them numbers. You know the Kentz is gonna bless you. You're gonna win $1 million, period. Okay. All right, now let's go in and get a capture of this lovely room, darling. Because the room is fit for a king that I am. You know. Alright. Welcome, Kentfolk. Alright, when you first walk in, we have this lovely full-length mirror right at the door before you leave out. Make sure your boys is looking tight, right, fit, and cute. Wait. And next, beautiful sliding doors here is the entrance to the bathroom, where we come into double vanity for your boy so we can get together, we can get it right. And here we got the standard bathroom, little privacy bathroom, so you know what I mean, you can do what you need to do and your partner don't need to see what's going on. Standard toilet. Next we have this beautiful, beautiful rainfall shower, y'all. Now this is about to get lit. It's about to get lit up in here because let me tell you, I love a rainfall shower. Look at that, sparkling. Now, if you notice in the shower, we have these beautiful sliding doors where if you want to give your man a little show while you're in the shower, ow, hey, bow, bow, bow. Now, when the guy first told us about this, he said if you want to watch TV, but I feel like it's the other way around. If the person in the bed want to watch you. Okay. So next we have our closet. And here you will find our robes. We got the ironing board and iron. Now as you see, we already put our luggage in here, so. And we are not the type of people who unpack. Yeah, we're not filling up these drawers. We're gonna work out of our suitcases. Now in this one over here, we got our safe to keep all your personal belongings locked up while you on vacation, while you're not using them. Down here they got the scale. I don't know who's getting on the scale while you on vacation because as far as I know it, my diet is over. Okay, it's over. She can stay there. Next, we have the lovely, lovely, lovely bed, king size bed. And we don't go on vacation if it's not a king size bed, period. We have a TV, we have the flat screen TV, guys. We have a little sitting area right here. You know your boys had to stop past the duty-free store and grab us some get right before we get down to the beach. Now right here we have our coffee machine. You got your waters and stuff for your coffee, little coffee cup. And here we got the mini fridge. They provided us with snacks. All this is included. This is all free. We We have the mini refrigerator in here. We got some Mexican beers. We got Coca-Cola, Sprite, and bottles of water. Over here is our little living area. We have a cute little couch. We can lounge, sit on. And guys, for our anniversary, we gotta give a shout out to Jermaine. Thank you so much for looking out for us.
So my friend I went to Hyatt, well, we've been friends since middle school. He works for Player Resorts, and I told him we was coming. So we actually got a free upgrade into
they upgraded us to oceanfront view room.
And then when we came in, this is what they had for us.
Darling, fit for kings. We got some champagne. We got some chocolate covered strawberries.
So thank you, Jermaine. We love you.
Thank you so much. I can't believe this is so nice.
Check out this view,
Look
y'all.
at this view. The view is over. Oceanfront view. We in the dead smack middle of the hotel. I mean, we wake up to this view every day.
Hold on, let me fix the. All right, guys. So we are here, and we're about to. I think I'm gonna hop in the shower real quick. I'm fucking sweating.
We're about to shower. We've been like, since we got here, we've been sweating like crazy. So we're about to hop in the shower, freshen up, put on some swimwear, and then hit the pool.
All right, so we'll see y'all then.